What's happening, guys? Now, we are back today with a very special episode. A buddy of mine, Jacob, Jacob here, brought us his car for a VMP Gen 3R install. He was gone out of town for a while. Unfortunately, I was supposed to get that car done while he was there, and things just didn't happen. So, having said that, we finally got some room in here, and we're going to get it done. So, pretty excited to get this car done. I haven't got to do a VMP in a while. We did that Grabber Blue car, if you guys remember. He's always at the track with us and stuff, Gavin's car. That thing absolutely ripped. I think ideally that car was still a stock motor Gen 1 car. It was probably making around 700 wheel. I think Jacob's kind of planning on a little more than that, which is saucy for a vert. So, I think it's going to be one rowdy little car. So we're going to go ahead and get started on this thing today. And we're going to start by pulling everything apart on the top half of the motor, getting it ready for the lower intercooler and stuff like that. That's kind of where I'm going to start out on this one. I don't really have the actual instructions, so we're just going to kind of wing this one. I've done one before. This is pretty much the exact same kit. I've done the Whipples. They're all pretty much the same. We're going to kind of piece this one together real quick and see how things end up going. I contacted VMP. I think I've ordered absolutely everything I needed for this car. Don't believe there's anything missing except for I am missing the radiator cap for the coolant system for the blower, because they got their own coolant system over here. And they sent me a new degas bottle and did not send a cap. Well, since that made, I have no idea. But I have a spare. So it's supposed to use just a regular standard radiator cap. We're going to go ahead and get this thing knocked out. Enjoy the time lapse. I'm going to be ripping through this for the next day or two, maybe 3. We'll see how long it takes. Then we're going to get into the tuning process, in which I'll take you guys with me, and we will get this thing data logged, make some hits on the street. We're going to see what kind of power this thing actually makes. And I'll have to get back to you because I don't even know what size pulley's on it over there. It's a used kit. Pretty sure it's spicy. Pretty sure, if I remember correctly, it's a spicy setup. So let's get going. No wasting time. Doesn't get nothing done. Well, that's not where we wanted to be at today on this thing. Trying to get this thing done. I was hoping maybe we could get it done today. There really isn't that much left. Mount the heat exchanger, intercooler pump, water lines, tensioners, hook everything back up, plug it all in, put the cold air intake on it. That's pretty much all that is remaining on this car right now. However, as I'm plugging everything up, getting the throttle body bolted on with the new gaskets and stuff, we find out that this throttle body is for an 11 to 14 Coyote or 07 to 14 GT500. The connectors are not the same. So I'm hoping that VMP either A, makes a plug and play extension harness that will work this throttle body, or we're gonna have to buy a new throttle body, and they're like $800. That's a lot of money. Granted, we have one we can sell to recoup some money, but that's not gonna cover the full cost. So that means we're gonna be out some money on that. Having said that, that's gonna wrap us up for today on this VMP install. I guess we're going to break this up into 2 bits. I'm going to order a couple more parts from VMP. We've got a new pulley on the way because this has got a 79 millimeter party pulley on it. Way too much boost for 93 octane. So we're going to turn this thing way back down. We're going to step up from this 79 to an 88, and I've got it on the way already. So That should put us around 11, 12 pounds of boost. We got a boost gauge on the way. Just a couple little things like that. I've got some nice parts on here for it now, but we're missing a couple crucial items to get any further. So make sure you guys come back, check us out. It'll probably be a week or two before that comes out, but come and check us out and we will have this thing done. In the meantime, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Come back and check it out as we finish this thing up. We should make 750 to the tires, something like that. That's generally a really good number on stock fuel pump, on pump 93 and stuff like that. Not sure where 11, 12 pounds is going to put us at. Not even sure what it's going to actually make. That's just what we believe it's going to make. But like always, make better choices. Come check us out next time. And we'll be ready to have some fun in this convertible. Be the first convertible I've done, actually. Never done another convertible. I've worked on this car before in the past, but I've never got to have fun in a fast convertible. Let's make it happen.